Good morning, class! Our lesson for today is all about two-dimensional shape. The two-dimensional shape. Now, let's define what is two-dimensional shape. The two-dimensional shape is a shape that has length and width but no depth. Two-dimensional shape is a shape that has length and width but no depth. And two-dimensional shape is a flat figures are considered as two-dimension. All the shape that the flat figures are considered two-dimensional. All two-dimensional shape has length and width but no depth. And now, what are the shape that considered as two-dimensional shape? The first is a shape with no sides or corners. Its name is determined by the point located at its center, and that shape is a circle. It is a circle. Circle is a shape with no sides or corners. Its name is determined. So this is a circle. This is a circle. This circle is no sides. It is a round or no corners. So this is a kind of two-dimensional shape. The point at the center called circle. So that circle is a kind of two-dimensional shape. The next is a shape with three sides and three corners or vertices in mathematical terms. The three corners or the corners called vertices in mathematical. So this is a triangle. Triangle. This shape is triangle. Second shape is triangle. The triangle has three corners. This is a corner or three vertices. The first is circle. Circle has no sides. Triangle has three sides or three corners. The next is a quadrilateral. The quadrilateral has four sides, four equal sides or four equal measures. It's a quadrilateral with four sides of equal measures and vertices resembling a corner. So this is a square. Square is a quadrilateral because square has four sides, four equal sides. Square is a kind of two-dimensional shape because it has length and width. The next is a quadrilateral also with four sides and four corners, in which it's two opposite sides because this shape is rectangle. And now rectangle has four sides and four corners but opposite sides because the width of the rectangle are the same but the length is not. So the two-dimensional shape has length and width but no depth. The first is circle. Circle is a shape with no sides, is a round shape or no corners. The second is triangle. Triangle is a shape with three sides or three corners. It is called vertices in mathematical terms. The next is Square. Square is a kind of quadrilateral because quadrilateral has 4 sides and equal measures. Square is a quadrilateral shape with sides of equal measures and vertices resembling a corner. And next is rectangle. The last is rectangle. It's a quadrilateral also with 4 sides and 4 corners in which 2 opposite sides because the length of the rectangle has the same and the width of that is the same. The square and the rectangle is a kind of quadrilateral. The two-dimensional shape is a shape with length and width. The two-dimensional shape are circle. Circle has no corner, has no side. It is a round. And the second is triangle. Triangle has 3 corners or 3 sides in mathematical terms called vertices. Vertices. This is a vertices, the corners or the sides of rectangle. Second is quadrilateral. The quadrilateral is also a part of two-dimensional shape because quadrilateral shape has length and width but no depth. The quadrilateral composed of 2, the square and the rectangle. The square have sides and of equal measures and vertices resembling a corner. Square is a equal sides and corners. And the second is rectangle. The rectangle is a quadrilateral also. It is 4 sides and 4 corners. But the 2 opposite sides are different because the width and the length of rectangle are not the same measure. So that our lesson for today is all about two-dimensional. The two-dimensional is all about that the shape has length and width. In our real life, there are many two-dimensional shapes that we can see. For example, in circle. What are the example of circle that you can see in your house? For example, plate, wall clock. That is the example of circle. The next is triangle. Triangle, pizza. What else? Anything that has 3 sides. Next is square. The square. What the example of square? The window. Television. The next is rectangle. What the example of rectangle? The door. The cell phone. There are many shapes or two-dimensional shapes that we can see in our house or everywhere, so that we always notice what's the shape of that things. The two-dimensional is all about that the shape has length and width. I hope you learn more and you will use it in your everyday lives. That's all. Thank you.